Unraveling the Mystery, the Meaning Behind Copycat. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning journey. Today, we have a fascinating phrase to explore: copycat. We'll dive into its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. So, buckle up, and let's unravel the mystery together. Copycat is a compound word combining copy and cat. At a glance, it might seem like it's about a cat that copies, but it's actually used to describe a person who imitates or copies someone else's actions, ideas, or behavior. It is often used in a slightly negative or teasing tone, indicating that the person is not being original. Let's see copycat in action with some examples. If a child imitates their siblings' actions just to annoy them, a parent might say, "Stop being such a copycat." In the workplace, if someone starts using the same unique approach as a coworker, another might comment, "Looks like we have a copycat on the team." In fashion, if a designer replicates another's design, people in the industry might label them as a copycat designer. The term copycat has been around for quite some time. It is believed to have originated in the late 19th to early 20th century, stemming from the playful and teasing language often used among children. The cat part doesn't literally refer to the animal but is rather a rhyming addition to the word copy. Copycat can be used in various contexts, from playful to serious. Playful. Among friends, it might be used in a light-hearted, teasing manner. Serious. In a professional setting or creative industries, being called a copycat could have more serious implications, indicating plagiarism or lack of originality. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the term copycat. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning, usage, and origin. Remember, while imitating can sometimes be flattering, it's always best to strive for originality and be yourself. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.